What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, cool pearls, and we try to make more interesting colors, more expensive colors even. Well, I say that because today I had a subscriber that, after seeing my key lime green and black video where I shot the parakeet green pearl over top, wanted to see it more like, say, the new Mustang or Camaro, where it's like this really cool lime green pearl or whatever else. And you know, the last spray out left a little bit to be desired, and that's understandable. So what I'm gonna do today is I got another game plan. Instead of shooting it over black or key lime green, I'm gonna shoot it over this charcoal gray color. Now what I'm hoping it'll do is it'll mute off all the darkness that you usually get when you shoot it over a black base. What I mean is, a lot of times it'll darken up the pigment just ever so slightly, and you'll have to do a lot more coats to get it to brighten up. Or you might just have to shoot it over a lighter color, which is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna try shooting it over this charcoal gray, then we're gonna load up the mix with this parakeet green pearl and go for full coverage and see if we can't get that Mustang Camaro pearl color that the subscriber was wanting. Well, it's going to be a fun experiment today, guys. I got my fender prepped up behind me. Let's spray some charcoal gray over top first, and then we'll get to layering some pearl and see if we can't get to that really cool green color. Alright guys, so we got our test panel sprayed with the charcoal gray color, so we're done with that. And now we're moving on to the clear coat. I'm using my Speedo Coat 2K Clear today, urethane. It's the only clear coat I use over Rustoleum that hasn't had any reactions or whatever. It mixes 4-to-1, so I've already mixed it in my cup off camera. And it's 70 degrees out today. This is a medium temp activator, so it's perfect for 70-degree days. Anyways, as far as everything goes, I got about 7 ounces of clear today. That's what I'm going to use for this project because I really don't know how much it's going to take. And I'm going to be a little generous with this little container. This is 10 grams. I'm probably going to put a whole gram in this mix right here. So 1 gram of pigment per 9 ounces of clear. We're only shooting over a test fender. If you wanted to take this full scale, you would probably need 50 grams of pearl total to do a whole car. Just kind of give you an idea. But like I said, this is really for entertainment, guys. I want to just, show the subscriber if we can do it or not, and go from there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of pearl in this mix, and then I'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so here's the color, parakeet green. Now it's a really cool lime green color, has a very metallic look to it, but obviously it's pearl, so I guess you used to say pearlescent, but regardless, it is a very, very cool color, and I think it's really, really close to that grabber green metallic color that the subscriber was looking for. So hey, let's get our gun loaded up, let's get the spraying and see if we can't create a really cool green pearl. Alright guys, so I got my parakeet green pearl loaded up in my V-Vor gun. Make sure to keep your pearls agitated. Just kind of slosh them around a little bit, but don't go too hard. You don't want it pouring out of the cup because you don't want everything to clump or whatever. But anyways, I'm shooting through my V-Vor gun. 1.4 tip. I shoot at wide open trigger, 28 PSI if you want to replicate my settings. And yeah, we're going to put a light coat on first, and then just keep doing light coats to mid coats until we get full coverage. Probably wait about 20 to 30 minutes between coats. It's going to be kind of a long process, but hopefully it'll be worth it in the end. And yeah, let's put the mask on and get spraying. So after many coats of parakeet pearl over a charcoal green base, this is what we got. Now, I'm gonna have to go back and count the number of coats I had to do to get this coverage this way. So if you want to take this full scale, more power to you. This is not for the faint of heart, especially when you're doing these solid pearl paint jobs, guys. Sometimes certain pearls cover better than others, and like I said, you could be there for a day or two doing coats. So plan accordingly. Do a small scale spray out ahead of time. That way you know what to expect and you know what kind of results you're going to get. That way, regardless, you don't get disappointed with the end result. And I'm not disappointed with this at all, but ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys and to the subscriber that requested this. What do you think? Rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between, guys. And hey, did we hit the nail on the head? Did we get close to that Camaro Mustang color? That grabber green, whatever it was, I don't even remember the name. But anyways, guys, I hope you have fun with me today. I hope you've made it this far in the video. You'll like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. I had a lot of fun. If you want to buy pearls, if you want to buy clear, paint guns, masks, tape, anything you see that I use on the channel, guys, links in the description. As seen on YouTube, click it, takes you to my Amazon storefront, and you can purchase stuff there. It goes to help out the channel. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. Well, guys, I think that's going to be it for me today, guys. I had a lot of fun, but I'm tired, and I'm ready to go in the house. So I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.